My hair's been in braids all day because I've just come from work. I have come from work, I have caffeinated, and I am ready. Hello everybody, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Let me take off my shoes, get comfy here. Today I'm coming to you with another episode of Expectation versus Reality, where I take something I find on Pinterest and I try it out and see if it's really all that it's cracked up to be. So today I'm actually going to be doing a hair tutorial. This is a tutorial I found called, well actually when I found it on Pinterest it was like Regal braid tutorial, something like that. But then when I pressed the link, it actually brought me to a YouTube video that is called Double Dutch Braid Upstyle in Minutes. This is from the YouTuber Confessions of a Hairstylist. She is absolutely wonderful and kind of reminds me of like somebody I kind of aspire to be. She is absolutely fantastic. So as I always do, I'm going to link her down below. So I'm going to do what I did with my past video, where I kind of keep her in the screen and we're following along to do this Regal updo. My hair is kind of gross right now, I'm just going to do some dry shampoo. All right, here we go.
So basically, we're gonna do a severe side parting.
Okay.
And then down to the back, about to her crown, and then to the nape of her neck. And we're just gonna section off the back section here.
Clipping. Well, not really clipping per se, but I am definitely just going to like pull you aside as well as the right. Ooh, guys, this is a good look already. I'm digging it. I hope, because you know, I can't really see the back of my head, so I'm hoping that what I've got back here is what she's doing. We're going to just say that it is. Okay.
Okay, I've created a low pony, so now all I'm going to do is create a simple 3-stranded braid.
Easy enough, right? So luckily enough, I do have a few of these like small little elastics that I thought that I had none of. So first thing I'm doing is creating the pony. All right, let's just assume that that is right. And then I'm just going to make a little braid. The kind of fun part about the way that I'm doing this is literally, I have no idea what this looks like. At least this part, I'm gonna have absolutely no idea what it looks like, which I guess you could say is kind of exciting. I can't even see myself doing the back. My arms are getting tired. I also think I'm doing it upside down. How does it look? I can't tell. Alrighty, there we go. I'm gonna say that's good enough. I don't think I did enough hair. Mine's kind of tiny. Is that okay?
Now that we've done our braid, I'm just gonna tug on it a little bit.
Tug it.
And kick it out.
Can't see what I'm doing. Assuming it looks okay.
Okay, so basically I'm just gonna create a low bun now.
Okay. Yo, I can't even bun this thing though. Guys, like, what? Ah! Okay, I'm going to assume that what I've done is actually secured this bun. I honestly don't know because I can't see what I'm doing, which makes this a bit of a challenge, but I kind of like it.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and drop our section in the front off and work that section first. So all we're simply going to do is I'm going to be creating a Dutch braid. So basically that's just an inside out braid.
Oh, my favorite.
I'm going to take my pinky finger and create a triangle section here. So now we have our triangle section. So I'm going to split the hair in 3. Working underhanded, I'm going to take our section from our right, under our section into the middle, and now our section to the left, under the section into the middle. So now we're going to work that same technique all the way down, but our sections that are to the right and left, we're going to incorporate hair into them. Okay. So now our section to our right, we're simply just going to incorporate a little bit of hair.
Guys, I kind of get this. I get this.
And then go under into the middle. Now our section to our left, we're just going to incorporate that into our section and then go under into the middle.
Okay. So she literally just does that. Okay, I've done Dutch braids before. Yay! One down, now what?
I'm going to leave a couple inches out because we're going to pancake this out. So I don't want the elastic to travel too far up. So I'm going to simply just secure it with an elastic.
You hear that?
And now I'm
leave a few inches.
The same technique on the opposite side.
And then repeat on the other side. Check, check, and check. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I shall make do. I just want to kind of make them even-ish. Okay, there we go, looks good. This looks weird. Okay, keep going.
elastic.
Okay.
And now the fun begins. I love this part.
Ooh, the fun.
I'm just going to pancake the braids out just to add a lot of fullness and plumpness.
Okay, where do you start?
So basically, when I say pancake, all we're going to do is take the braid and just pull it out.
I just have to be careful because I have bangs.
Okay, so now that I'm pancaking...
Whoa, wait a time. You just time-lapsed without warning me. Because now I need to make sure that this looks good. Hold the phone. Ah! I pancake too much. Now what? Can I pull it that way? Oh, I can. Pancaking! Pancakes. Cakes with pans, my friends. Ooh, you know, I have to say, pancaking braids. Pretty fun. I think that's enough, yeah? Maybe? I still want to, like, do it too much.
What we simply do is take our right braid, drape it over to the left,
draping it over to the left,
2 bobby pins,
securing. Okay, so we drape the right over the left side, and secure. Get one. Well, let me see. Are you gonna like wrap?
And I'm gonna do the same thing to our left section. Drape it over, and you can see since her hair was mid-length, she has a little bit of end sticking out. So I'm just going to simply tuck that up into her updo.
Cool.
And I think...
Okay, so that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm just kind of, I can't see what I'm doing, but what I'm basically doing is just like wrapping. So like I started on one side, and I'm working all the way around. What's the bottom of the pin? I guess you say my problem is, I literally have like no idea if I'm actually like properly pinning this in, unless it hurts. If it hurts, then I know it's working. So then I'm just gonna do the same thing to the right. So I'm just gonna wrap like that. So I'm assuming that's what she did. Hopefully none of my bobby pins will be sticking out either. All the way around, and then I'm just going to be tucking in the under parts as well. I have no idea if this is actually like even doing anything or not. But then I do know that I have these kind of strays. So then I'm going to twist those back around. I hate anything that involves bobby pins, you guys. I get really frustrated really fast. There we go.
I think that looks really, really nice. It's very, very modern. And okay, so now I'm going to finish this look off with a little bit of hairspray. And you can see that it gave it a really beautiful, nice Dutch braid effect. It looks gorgeous. And just for fun, I want to show you ladies how to get it a little bit more editorial. So I'm going to really have some fun and really pull on it.
Cool.
So basically all I'm going to do now is really pull the braid out. It adds a lot of texture to it.
Okay guys, so now that I have pinned it all together, I'm just going to kind of pull it a little extra, pull some strands out, just make it a little bit more kind of natural and not so secure, just because I really like the kind of stringy, cute thing that you can do. Wow, I'm like panting, LOL. I'm just going to do my whole face, and then I'm going to do a little pan and talk about this. So this is what the end result looks like. As you can see, I was not able to get my hair fully as like plump as she was able to get hers, but I do think that it is quite cute, if I do say so myself. I definitely want to work on this a little bit more because I think I did way too many bobby pins. I feel like it's just one of those things that you definitely need some practice to do. But it was really fun and really, honestly, very easy. Guys, so that's all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Expectation versus Reality. I'd have to say that this was an absolute success for the most part. My only concern is really just like getting the bobby pins really pinned in the back. It was a little bit harder than I anticipated because I can't really see it. I know that when I changed clothes, this side of the bun really like just straight fell out, but I just pinned it back and everything was okay. So really just make sure that you secure the bun and you should be fine. What do you guys think about this? Also, what do you think about red lipstick with this shirt? I like it. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what your favorite kinds of braids are. I would love to know. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!